Friends, here we solve question of miscellaneous exercise. Question number 1. Solve the inequality 2 less than 3x minus 4 less than 5. Think how to solve this. Here 3x minus 4 given. So applying some operation, we formulate these terms into x form. Here first we remove minus 4, adding 4 on both sides. So 2 plus 4 less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to 5 plus 4. Therefore, this becomes 6 less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to, this becomes 9. Now dividing by 3, here we get 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to, here 9. So solution becomes closed interval 2 to 3. Clear? Similarly, question number 2, 6 less than or equal to minus 3 into 2x minus 4 less than 12 given. Here first remove this minus 3 from both sides, that is dividing by minus 3 to each side. Here we know that if we divide or multiply by negative sign, then this inequality will be changed. So minus 6 upon 3 becomes minus 2 greater than or equal to 2x minus 4, here greater than 12 upon minus 3, that is a minus 12 upon 3 is equal to minus 4. Now add a 4 on each side. So minus 2 plus 4 greater than or equal to 2x greater than, here add 4, so this becomes 0. Now dividing by 2, here this becomes 2 greater than or equal to 2x greater than 0. Now dividing by 2, here we get 1 greater than or equal to x greater than 0. That is 0 less than x less than or equal to 1. So this becomes a solution. Clear? Similarly, question number 4. In question 3 also same given, minus 3 less than or equal to 4 minus 7 of x upon 2 less than or equal to 18. Question number 4 given here, minus 15 less than 3 into x minus 2 upon 5 less than or equal to 0. First multiply by 5, then divide by 3, then add 2, we get a solution. Clear? Same in equation number 5 also same question. 6 also same question. Now question number 7. Solve the inequality and represent the solution graphically on number line. 5x plus 1 greater than minus 24 given, and 5x minus 1 less than 24. Subtract 1 from both sides, we get here 5x greater than minus 24 minus 1 become minus 25. So dividing by 5 from both sides, we get x greater than minus 5. And here given 5x minus 1 less than 24. So add 5 on both sides, we get 5x less than 24 plus 1, 25. Therefore x less than 5. So here x greater than minus 5 and x less than 5. So on the number line, zero, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, x greater than minus pi, only greater than given. So draw the circle at minus pi and value of x greater than minus pi and less than pi. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here value of x less than pi, so draw circle at pi. Value of x less than pi and greater than minus pi, so bold this line segment between minus pi to pi. This becomes a solution region on a number line. Clear? Similarly, question 8, same question given. 2 into x minus 1 less than x plus 5 and 3 into x plus 2 greater than 2 minus x. Simplification, 2 take inside, so 2x minus 2 less than x plus 5. Therefore x take this side, so we get x. 2 take this side, less than 7. Here from this 3 take inside, so 3x plus 6 greater than 2 minus x. So here x take this side, so becomes 3x plus x, 4x. 6 take this side, so 2 minus 6. Therefore 4x greater than, here becomes minus 4. Therefore dividing by 4 we get x greater than minus 1. So remember this, on a number line solution is equal to, here greater than minus 1. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 greater than minus 1, never become minus 1. So draw circle at minus 1. Less than 7, never become 7. So draw circle at minus 7 plus and bold line between minus 1 to 7. Clear? So this becomes a solution region on a number line. Same question number 9, we are able to solve this question number 9. 10 also same question. Question 11, a solution is to be kept between 68 Fahrenheit and 77 Fahrenheit. What is the range of temperature in a degree Celsius if Celsius Fahrenheit conversion formula is given by F is equal to 9 upon pi C plus 32. Here given Fahrenheit temperature lies between 68 and 77. So greater than 68 degree and less than 77 degree. Therefore here Fahrenheit is equal to given, here 68 degree less than 9 upon pi C plus 32 less than 77 degree. Clear? Now subtract 32 from each side, we get 68 minus 32 less than 9 upon 5 into C less than 77 minus 32. Clear this? Now simplify this. So we get here 36 degree less than 9 upon 5 C less than, here becomes 5, here 45 degree. Therefore now multiply by 5, we get 36 into 5 less than 9C less than 45 into 5. Clear? Now dividing by 9, we get 36 into 5 upon 9 less than C less than 45 into 5 upon 9 into degree form. Clear? Therefore, here simplify this. 9 4 36. So 4 into 5 become 20. Less than C less than 9 5 45. 5 into 5 become 25. So Celsius degree lies between 20 degree and 25 degree. Clear? Now question number 12. A solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding a 2% boric acid solution to it. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4%. Resulting mixture more than 4% and less than 6%. Less than a 6% boric acid. If total solution we have 640 liter of the 8% solution, how many liter of 2% solution will have to be added to get a required solution? Suppose x liter of 2% boric acid solution be added. Therefore total solution becomes, here we have a 640 liter solution, we add up x liter solution. Therefore total solution is equal to x plus 640 liter, and total boric acid in a solution is equal to becomes, here x is a 2% boric acid, so 2% of x, that is 2 upon 100 into x, plus 640 liter is a 8% boric acid, so 8 upon 100 into 640. Clear? Now simplify this, we get x upon 50 plus, here after simplification we get 256 upon 5. Clear this? Now this solution less than 4% of total solution, here total solution x plus 640, and less than 6%. Therefore 4% of total solution x plus 640 less than, here our solution x upon 50 plus 256 upon 5 less than 6% of x plus 640. Now simplify this, okay, x plus 640. Therefore simplification, 4% of this is equal to 4 into x plus 640 upon 100 less than, here x upon 50 plus 256 upon 5 less than 6x plus 640 upon 100. Now simplify this, dividing by 2, here we get 2 dividing by 2, 2 take inside, 2x plus here 0, 8, 12 upon 50 less than, here 50 take LCM, so here become x plus here multiply by 10, so 250 60 2560 upon 50 less than, here 6 upon 100 given, so divide by 2, we get 3 take inside, so 3x plus 3 into 640 is equal to 0, 4 3 12, 1 carry, 6 3 18 plus 1 19 upon 50. Clear? 2x plus 1280 less than x plus 2560 less than 3x plus 1920. Now from these two and from these two we get a inequality. Here 2x plus 1280 less than x plus 2560 and x plus 2560 from a second less than 3x plus 1920. Simplify this. X take this side, so we get x 1280 take this side, so less than 2560 minus 1280. Okay, therefore x less than, here simplify this, 0, 8, here 2 and 1, and from this here x take this side, 1920 take this side, so 2560 minus 1920 less than 3x minus x. Therefore now subtract this, we get a 0, here 4, here 6 less than, here becomes a 2x. Therefore dividing by 2, we get a 320 less than x. Therefore here 320 less than x less than 1280. Therefore solution more than 320 liter and less than 1280 liter. Clear? Applying same, we solve question number 13. How many liter of water will have to be added to 1125 liters of 45% solution of acid, so that the resulting mixture will contain more than 25 but less than 30 acid content? You are able to solve this question yourself. Now question number 14, last question of this miscellaneous exercise. IQ of person is given by formula IQ is equal to MA upon CA into 100, where MA is mental age and CA is chronological age. If 80 less than IQ less than 140 for a group of 12-year-old children, find the range of their mental age. Here IQ given lies between 80 and 140 and CA is equal to given 12. So using IQ and CA we get MA. MA lies between 9.6 and 16.8. Just try to solve this question yourself. Okay, bye.